Hello there, everyone. We're back in Maine, leaving Maine 27, Carrabassett Valley. Getting ready to head up the hill. It's about 4 o'clock. Everything's gone perfect today, but I'll tell you more about it later. I don't remember hearing about this Bigelow Range Trail. I don't remember seeing it in the guide. But onward, halfway up this beast. Not even sure how many feet we've done yet. It's got to be about 1,000. Look at that. Ah, yeah, look at that. There's Sugarloaf in the background over here. Slopes. That's what we're doing tomorrow. Right there. Look at that breeze. That breeze is going to get cold really fast.
Oh yeah, I'm ready to get back in there.
Okay. Yeah, buddy. Right. Look at that. That's Warren's Pond. We're camping near here. That's awesome. Lean-to's down there. Very close. This is camp for the night. The Horns Pond lean-to tenting area. It's my palace. I'm gonna go get some water at the pond. This is when you might see moose out in the pond. Good morning, everyone. Beginning of day 2. Welcome back to the Appalachian Trail. This is didn't really say a whole lot yesterday because I was tired a bit. Got up at 2 a.m. yesterday to start making my way to the trail. Didn't get to camp till it was about 8. It was 7:30 actually, but had a lot of chores to do. By the time everything was said and done, it was 9:30. We were exhausted. We're at the Horns Pond lean-to, which is just about 5 miles in from north of Maine 27. Yesterday was perfect. All the flights were on time. All the pilots and crew members showed up on time. So weather was great. Everything happened exactly as we planned it. So hopefully today's the same. The weather's looking great. It's a little chilly. This is really weird here because it was fully daylight, fully light this morning at 4 a.m. That's crazy. It doesn't even start to look like daytime till like 6:30 back home. But I opened my eyes and it was 3:45 and the sky was light. I'm not used to that, but it's 5 o'clock right now. I didn't even get a full 8 hours, maybe 6 hours, but still I'm going to get up. We only got like 13 to do today. Yeah, like I said, we're at the Horns Pond Lean-To, so we climbed 2,000 feet yesterday, and we're going to be going over the Bigelow peaks this morning. It's going to be beautiful. So we'll get a move on, start packing up, have breakfast, get today started. First full day on the Appalachian Trail. My last section hike. 10 years. Going to Katahdin. I'll be in Katahdin. Be on Katahdin in 2 weeks. It's crazy. But, yeah, we'll get started. Almost packed up, ready to go.
What's up?
Talking to the camera. That's where I tented last night. Right over there. Very flat, smooth surface. Good night's sleep. No widowmakers. Even had a little table. Feels great out here. A little chilly, but that's what we're about to go up. That is West Peak. Might be the Horn. I think it's probably the Horn. But yeah, we got up most of it yesterday, but we still got some climbing. Oh, wow. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Wow. Hope those clouds blow over. This is the South Horn. Look at that. Might be, yeah. We're almost to the top. Sometimes you gotta stop and just look backwards. Where we came from. And where we're going.
hitting tree line. Man, it's windy. Whew. Holy crap. Pretty sweet, eh? I think this is the peak, right up here. I can't hear anything. Huh. Ooh, it's windy. There's Sugarloaf. I think that might be Avery Peak.
That was one thing cool about like in the running around in the towns in Massachusetts, like over there.
Oh my God, look at that. Wow. We're going over that. That's sweet. Top of Avery Peak. There's the sun up there. I was thinking about just hanging out here. This coming up on the Myron Avery Peak of Mount Bigelow, whose foresight, leadership, and diligence made possible the Appalachian Trail, this 2,000-mile footpath from Maine to Georgia. Died in 1952. Oh man! I believe that's a view of Little Bigelow. I think we're going there next. I think we're camping somewhere out there tonight. Oh, that's cool. This is the trail. Oh, it is, isn't it? Oh, yeah, that's cool. Not for much. It's a side trail to get to the campsite where we had lunch. It's treacherous. Nothing's well maintained back there. I could not imagine skiing down that. I think we're pretty much at the top of Little Bigelow. There's Avery Peak, first one. West Peak over there. That's Sugarloaf. I think those are the Crockers back there. Actually, those might be the Crockers. That could be Spalding. Something like that. But anyways, Carrabassett Valley. Just crossed it on Little Bigelow. I'm gonna go down to Flagstaff Lake. Camp up the shore. It's Maine 27 down there, the road we drove in on. Parked way down there. Bigelow. Into the Bigelows. That's them right there. Alright, might be the last view of Carrabassett Valley. Maybe. Coming out of the woods, Flagstaff Road. Bigelows are done. This is where Mike, if he came along with us this time, he's going to meet us right at this parking area somewhere around here. Oh, that's a good question.